Hey guys, it's Jennifer Sparks. It's January 2022 and I found myself in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Today we're going to be checking out the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. The Hard Rock is pretty new. It's actually standing where the Trump Taj Mahal once was located. It has an excellent location. It's close to the Steel Pier. It's right next to Oceans, which was once going to be Revel, but now it's Oceans, beautiful hotel, and also resorts. Upon entering from the Boardwalk side, you're going to be hit right in the face with Slash's motorcycle. It's going to be a lot of rock star memorabilia all through this hotel, tons and tons of it. So if you're a fan of rock music, you're going to love this place. Great music everywhere. I'm here with my husband, Kelli. Yes, he likes to dance. He likes rock music. This place has fantastic atmosphere. We're going to be walking all over the place in this hotel today, but today we're going to be hitting the slots first. I want to show you this drink option. I love Atlantic City for this. We put our card in. It already tells us like what we had last time. So easy. You could order any kind of drinks there, beers, cocktails. You don't have to go searching for somebody. You just order it right on your machine. Bam, someone comes with your drink. It's amazing. Drinks are complimentary in the casino. Just make sure ahead of time that you bring some change for your servers. I was a little excited about this game. It looked like a lot of fun, but didn't pay out very well. I was about to walk away, but then I hit the bonus round. Still no great winnings on this machine, but you know, it could be the time I'm there. You know, every machine has its magical moment. Just wasn't that day. Look at Kurt Cobain's outfit from 1990s. It smells like Teen Spirit video. I remember seeing that for the first time being like, what? What is going on here? As you can see, the casino is pretty empty. We are here, like I said, in January, but we're here midweek. I always travel midweek, especially seeing I videotape. The less people in the videos, the easier it is for me. But the rates are a lot less. So if you have flexibility and you want to go to Atlantic City or Vegas or any casino, go during the week. I mean, our room was like dirt cheap. We were staying at Caesars. I made a separate video for that. Shameless plug right there. These right here are the most excellent escalators in all the land. It's around, has all different rock stars portraying their music as you go up and down the escalators. I find it cool too. It's like whatever music they're playing throughout the entire casino is what they're displaying in the visual around, going around the escalators. It's a fantastic design. Approaching the next floor, you're going to find more memorabilia. You're going to find the wild card service. If you don't have a card, get one. It's awesome. You're going to get all kinds of emails with special offers, you know, and then you collect points so you could use it towards. I mean, if you're going to gamble, if you're not going to gamble, I guess it doesn't matter. But if you gamble enough, you'll get free parking. It comes with a lot of different perks. Also on this floor, you're going to find a massive food court. There's going to be all kinds of different things that you could go for a grab and go. There's also some tables to sit at. There are also a lot of different full-scale restaurants, sit-down, fancy, reservation, get dressed up and go kind of places. I'm going to be showing you those in a little bit. And right in the casino is the Hard Rock Cafe. You know, what would a Hard Rock Hotel be without the Hard Rock Cafe? I've eaten there before and it's awesome. So we decided to have lunch there and I'm going to take you there in a little bit. So stay tuned. Are you watching this video because you want to go to the Hard Rock Hotel? Or because you've been here before and you want to see what's going on with it? Or, you know, do you just miss it? Let me know in the comments below your experience here. I absolutely love this place. I think it's such a great addition to Atlantic City by far. And of course, they're going to have some retail. This is also on the second floor. They got the rock shop and a lot of different other shopping options. This hotel has so much energy. I wish I could leave the sound raw for you so you could hear how exciting everything sounds, but you know, you get copyright claims and all this stuff when you're a YouTuber, so you kind of have to axe out any sound. It's really kind of makes things a little more complicated, but you have to trust me. This place has really good atmosphere. If you love music, you've got to check out the Hard Rock Hotel. Now we're going to go look at some dining options. This right here would be the buffet, which is open again. Everything seems to be open here. Just things are open at different times. Most of the restaurants here are opened at, I think, like 4 or 5 or something like this. But this buffet here was open. This was maybe like 1 o'clock in the afternoon that we were here. Buffets are a fabulous option if you want to sample all different items, or if you're with a party and you guys can't make up your mind where you want to go. Everybody can get, like, if you want Italian, if you want this, or if you want fish and chips, you know, usually at the buffet you're going to be able to find all of that. So they used to be a lot cheaper. Now it's $30 for a lunch buffet. I remember coming when I was a kid and it was like $10. But gas was also 70 cents a gallon, so everything's relative. Inflation, you know. When you stay at Hard Rock, you can also walk inside to resorts. Really cool fact there. You don't even have to go on the boardwalk if it's freezing. And like if it's snowing, you can enjoy both these properties without even ever leaving. So that's a very cool thing to know. I want to show you the concerts that are coming up here, but my husband wants, you know, he wants to be in the video instead. Joan Jett's supposed to be touring with Def Leppard and Motley Crue. I don't know why they keep canceling that all the time. She's out on the road. Come on, guys, you keep canceling on us. Yeah, this pandemic thing, it's been crazy. See, here's the Bangles. The Bangles is playing, and you can watch the Bangles concert as you go down the escalator. We are now entering the Hard Rock Cafe and Bar, which is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We didn't have reservations, but they were able to easily seat us. Tape the menu, but you know, it has your typical burgers, salads, chicken sandwiches. My husband Kelly is a great promoter. Look at him promoting the Hard Rock. We ended up splitting a chicken and avocado sandwich and a wine. We both weren't so hungry, but we loved the restaurant. We were, you know, like, well, let's go have something. This right here, if you could get a table here, is my favorite. Me and him had breakfast out here once, and you feel like you're part of the casino, but not really. That place has more magic the more they sat us. So highly recommend sitting by the casino if you get the opportunity to ask for that. Thank you so much for hanging with me. I hope you find this video helpful or entertaining or useful in some way. If you have, please let me know in the comments below what you did like. That would be awesome. This here, okay, we're gonna go play some slots, okay? This here, I love this machine. I found this machine in New York at Resorts World. I absolutely love it. It's gonna be a little blurry because it's 4D, but it's such a fun game. It's a little expensive even for the minimum bet. It's $1 to even do a minimum bet, but the payoff is always really good when it is hitting. If it's not hitting, walk away. But like, there's a lot of times you hit the bonus wheel. This time I was getting $10 repetitively. It was kind of annoying, but sometimes you could win. I've won like, you know, $200 on a dollar bet before. So it's a good game to play. Very fun.
Jackpot? Wow.
It's the jackpot bonus. Here's Vanna White.
This is a good one. You want this one.
They also also have the new Willy Wonka Dreamer of Dreams here too. That's an awesome game. I'm going to take you around to show you some of the restaurants right now. Not to promote gambling, but to show you how much fun it is and to show you the new slots. So if you do gamble, go responsibly. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like this kind of video, check out my other videos. I'm going to leave a playlist right here of all the casinos that I've gone to and all the casinos that I've been to in Atlantic City. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks. Safe travels to you.